In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of links in a HubSpot marketing email. Whether you want your links to stand out or match your brand's color scheme, adjusting link colors can make your emails more engaging and professional. Let's dive in and learn how to do this in just a few minutes. First, head over to HubSpot's homepage. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, open your browser and type in the HubSpot URL. On the homepage, you'll see a login button, usually at the top right corner. Click it and log into your account to access your email campaigns. Once logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard. From here, navigate to the marketing section. You'll usually find this in the top or side menu. Clicking on marketing opens a dropdown with various tools, but for changing email link colors, we'll focus on email. In the email section, browse your list of emails and select the one you want to edit. This could be a draft, a campaign email, or a past email stored in HubSpot. Click on the email to open it. Next, look for the Edit Email option. This is often prominently displayed in the email menu or under Actions. Clicking Edit Email opens the email editor where you can make your changes. Now, locate the text you want to turn into a link. Highlight it by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text. A small toolbar will appear and you'll see an option to modify the text color. Click it and a color palette will appear. Select the exact color you want for your link. Choose a color that complements your email design, aligns with your brand, and ensures readability against your email's background. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of a link in your HubSpot email. Remember, these changes reinforce your brand identity and make your calls to action more visually appealing, which can lead to higher engagement. Finally, save your changes and preview your email to make sure everything looks perfect. And you're good to go. Happy HubSpotting.